Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an update from the pages you follow on Facebook, enabling push notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on push notifications for the pages you follow, using the latest Facebook update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, enter your page by clicking on your page's profile photo. This takes you directly to your page's dashboard. Now, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu. Click on it, then select Settings from the expanded list. This will open up all your page's settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section controls how and where you get alerts from Facebook. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Pages You Follow. Click on it to see more notification options specifically for the pages you're following. Here's the important part. Look for the push option. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Turn it on to enable push notifications. This means you'll receive real-time alerts on your desktop whenever there's an update from the pages you follow. That's all there is to it. With push notifications enabled, you'll always be up to date with the latest posts, events, and activities from your favorite pages, right on your desktop, even if you're not actively browsing Facebook. If you ever want to customize which notifications you receive, you can always return to these settings and adjust them to your preference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with the content that matters most to you.